Saudi Arabia has been busy explaining over the weekend why it hasn't cut its oil supply as oil prices have tumbled this autumn. Now, what's the reason? Well, obviously it's this gusher of oil that we've seen coming from other parts of the world, primarily from the US, of course, with the shale oil revolution, but from other countries as well, particularly Russia. They're not cutting production either. So, what has the Saudis' response been? Well, they could cut production and try and support prices as they've done throughout the last few decades. But what would be the point of that? They would lose market share and their rivals might benefit from any gain in prices that results. Now, there's been a debate this autumn within Saudi Arabia itself and within OPEC as to what the correct response should be. Of course, countries like Iran, Venezuela, those countries that have very poor, tight budgets, they want to see oil prices maintained. They want to see OPEC performing its traditional role of putting in a base under oil prices and supporting them so that they go back up again. But the Saudis are basically saying, look, the market has changed, the dynamics have changed. OPEC can't do this alone. We have to get agreement from elsewhere. If we can't, there's no point. So this has been the real shift for oil markets this autumn, and it's really a crucial change. It means that OPEC, it means that Saudi Arabia are kind of abandoning their traditional role. They're not going to underpin oil prices anymore. They're not going to be the ones that take out supply and suffer on behalf of everyone else. It's a real shift in the market, and it means that that's why we've seen this slide really down to $60 a barrel, and that's why nobody quite knows yet whether the slide is really done. What we're going to have to wait and see next year is whether US oil producers start to cut production. That might underpin the market, that might see prices go back up again. But what's for sure is that we won't be looking to Saudi Arabia quite in the same way as we've done in the past.